Okay, this is my Stinky washing machine. So we just moved into our house and this washing machine is so stinky. So I'm gonna clean it with white vinegar, a toothbrush or a little scrubber. And you put the vinegar on your toothbrush or a paper towel and scrub the inside. Ew, it is so gross in there. So I'm gonna do that right now. So you just open this up and clean inside with vinegar on the paper towel. It's hard to do with one hand. So just open it up, clean inside, scrub. You could use a toothbrush as well. It can help you clean it out. Clean everything inside. Okay, so I've cleaned the inside in between those rubber lip thingies with vinegar. And now I'm going to add some baking soda straight inside the washing machine because it probably has that stinky smell because of the mildew and mold and the water not drying. So I'm just going to do a couple spoons of baking soda and then run the machine at the highest and longest setting. I'm just gonna close it now. And what is my longest? Maybe sanitary. Let's do sanitary. And I don't want extra hot. Oh, it has to be extra hot. Never mind. Okay, now we know. And I'm gonna start it. There we go. Put the baking soda inside. Okay, the cycle is done. So the baking soda acts like a mini scrubber. Looks good in here. And now I have made 1.5 cups of vinegar and I added 2 or 3 drops of essential oil. So I'm gonna stick it in here, smelling better. So that's my mixture of 1.5 cups of white vinegar and 2 or 3 drops of whatever essential oil you have and you like. And now the vinegar is going to remove the odor and clean the machine. Here we go again. And then we're gonna set it on the highest. All done. Oh, smells fresh, no odor. Super clean. So now, after every wash, make sure it's dry. Dry the inside. Dry the whole machine. Dry the cover and leave it open. Leave it open so it doesn't get all stinky again. And after baking soda and vinegar with a little bit of essential oil, it smells so clean. And it is clean.